do you know what should be seriously discussed? Is the fact that cold coffee is only good if you make it cold on purpose. Because if you take hot coffee and you let that get cold, it tastes like garbage. Why is that? Alright, for today's background, I'm switching it up because it's overcast and it was just really weird lighting in my normal spot that I like to film over here. It's my favorite spot. But we're just gonna move it over here just because the lighting is better today. And we're gonna dive in. Not even gonna waste your time today with my ridiculous intros. Guess what I found? I'm so excited. Thank you guys for letting me know. You know, logically, when I was showing you guys the pads in the last Dollar Tree haul, I knew that it had to have been some sort of insert that was like the Sweeper, whatever it's called. But one of you actually sent me a photo, so thank you so much for that. But I did finally find the attachment. This is a brand new line that's at Dollar Tree. They sold the broomstick, the other attachments that I showed in that video. I don't know if I'm throwing it up here or not, but I also found the regular broom, and it even tells you handles sold separately, so I have all of that. I think this is so awesome. I can't believe Dollar Tree did this. I definitely didn't see that coming. And I also found a microfiber mop head. And also love how it's packaged. I don't know why. I have no idea, because it's really not that big of a deal. But this looks really cool. Even if you don't attach it to the handle, I don't know, maybe there's DIY potential there. It definitely has like a modern farmhouse look because there's gray in the microfiber and it looks like braids. So be thinking for that if you like to do, you know, DIYs. Then I found some gorgeous mugs. I could not walk away from them. You know that I have a lot of mugs, and I found these. This one has some speckle detail to it. I don't know, there we go. Isn't that just lovely? And they are nice and heavy. You can definitely tell this is some really good ceramic. Is that the right material? I don't know. It says Plates and Beyond, so it's not a Dollar Tree brand, so it came from somewhere else. So we probably got a really good steal for $1. The interior trim of this in red is gorgeous. As soon as I got this, I thought of Christmas. I really did. And so I'm gonna go ahead and in the cleaning section, I found these buckets. They also have them in white, which is gonna be amazing for DIYs. And they're also plastic, so they're gonna be great to repaint over in case you want like a different color. But these are so modern farmhouse to me. You could, you know, label them with numbers and letters and all of those little like farmhouse, you know, styles and looks, and you get 3 in here for $1. And even if you're not using these to make over for decor, these are going to be cute little gift baskets, you know, just to like put things in and whatnot. Also, think of Halloween when you see items like this. One of the biggest things that I can say about Dollar Tree is if you're going to be really invested in that store as much as I am, I'm always thinking of every holiday all year round, because sometimes when you get to that holiday, things like this may not be there. So be thinking of Halloween and all of those things for whatever colors, you know, that you translate for each holiday. I use black for Halloween, so I'm definitely thinking about it from that standpoint too. I found some adorable farmhouse decor that blew me away, but first I also got another refill of my sponges, just the standard stuff. And then I found these really cute shadow boxes. I've never seen Dollar Tree do the shadow box and then put another piece of decor on the top. Here is this one, Take Your Time. That would be cute in the kitchen. Fresh eggs daily. What? That's nuts. And this one. Oh my gosh, are you freaking kidding me? Absolutely love it. I wish I decorated in red all year round, but that would be cute during Christmas time too. So I loved those finds. I was completely shocked. I have some gift bags, but I don't know if I've bought these before. I don't think so. But they just gave me Golden Girl vibes, and I love the metallic of the green. It's so beautiful. The camera is honestly not picking it up and doing it any justice. You'd have to see this bag in person. The smaller one you get 3, and the bigger ones you get 2. I think these are really cute. I feel like don't know. I was gonna say that these would be cute to like bring on vacation if you're going on vacation with like your like extended family or whatever, and you want to bring like a little gift for everybody, maybe a cute, you know, little cup that you take to the beach. That would be cute, or like a little towel or something. I don't know why I thought of that, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. So yeah, where do I go next? Okay, let's look at this. It's funny because I was mentioning Halloween and I found this Halloween book. It is called Just Treats, No Tricks. It's a cool little Halloween book. I think it's all about quilts is what this is. And I cannot wait to decorate for Halloween. Just so that you guys know, I'm gonna be actually doing my bedroom for Halloween this year. Yeah, you heard it here first. I've only ever done fall, Christmas, and like spring. The next book is so beautiful. Just the cover alone is aesthetically pleasing. I've said this before, marketing gets me. A good cover, a good packaging. Contents be damned, because I will just get it. Not great, but it's how I am. This one is Juice It, energizing blends for today's juicers. I don't even own a juicer. Look how they, like, each page is just beautifully crafted. The font, the headers, everything. But the book is beautiful and could be a gift, you know? So there's that. Okay, it's been a while, but I found some thank you notes or just blank notes. Finally, they put out something new. It's just really cute, and I love that they're blank too. Those are the best kinds in my opinion. You just need to have a couple of blank notes, set them aside, you know, and whenever you need to use one. Okay, a random sticker sheet. I saw a couple of different sets that match this collection, but I really only liked the houses. I thought that this was very interesting. I've never seen Dollar Tree really do stickers with buildings like this before. So this is definitely new and something I've never seen them do before. Did I already say that? I also picked up some facial masks. This one is a mermaid face mask, which probably because the outside looks like scales. The packaging is really cute, by the way, love it. And then I found a bubble clay mask. These are some of the best products to buy at Dollar Tree if you're putting together like a spa beauty gift basket. These little masks, perfection. And then I found some more Bolero products, but the packaging is completely different from anything that I've ever seen them do. They have a little ribbon like this. You know I'm obsessed with this yellow one. You already know. A couple of items in that collection, and then the rose and coconut, which I also have items in that collection, and both of these are fragrance mists. It's just so, oh my god, it's so beautiful. Then I found some new darling little spiral notebooks. They're kind of like micros. They remind me of the Happy Planner micro planners, which are so stinking cute. If you've never seen a micro planner that's like literally this big, you gotta go watch them. I'll link a YouTuber down below, At Home with Kita. She, one, has her own Etsy shop, or I think maybe it's not an Etsy shop, but like she has her own website or something. Go check her out. Go check out her YouTube channel, and I'll try to find some of her micro minis that she decorates. Anyway, so I found these, and look at them. What? How freaking cute. Just absolutely stunning. I mean, I cannot believe this is $1. I really can't. There are a lot of products where I'm like, okay, $1. Like the face masks, you know, pretty comparable. Like when you go to Walmart, it's like in that ballpark. But when you get to little items like these, that, oh my god, I just can't believe it. And they did a blue, a lavender, and a pink, and then the backs look like that. So one of my favorite finds from this whole haul are these cute little notebooks. And the fact that they even have like the pops of the foil, like the gold foil. Camera's not doing it justice, but there you go. Then I found some bookmarks, and these are so awesome. I've never seen Dollar Tree do bookmarks like this before. And they have like this They look very like rubbery, I guess, in a way, or like a faux leather, if you will. And they even have the tassels, and you get a bunch of little words. Love what you do, enjoy simple pleasures, be bold and courageous. Love that they're not plain, but they also have a little message. Do small things with great love. You make life beautiful, and love begins with you. So we have more of a pastel. First of all, have you ever seen a bath bomb cuter in your life? Never. Now, these little bath bombs have been coming out consistently since the first time that they hit stores a couple years ago. I'll never forget when they hit stores and they were in the same packaging with the metallics. I was just like, okay, I gotta get these because we may never see these again, because you don't know. It's like rolling the dice at Dollar Tree. You don't know what will come back and what won't. And these, they've been putting them out, new stuff, over and over. And then they did the frickin' watermelon. Now I'm just like, what else do they do with fruits? Because I only found the watermelon. If you know, please comment, let me know, because I must complete this collection. It is not an option. Okay, then I found these cute little spiral hair ties. I get these for my daughter all the time, but never have I seen them sold in a little packaging situation like this. And the color combinations of these are just, it's just so perfect. And I got them for my daughter. Thought it was too cute to pass up. Okay, then LA Colors put out a bunch of new makeup products. I did not get them all, but I got the ones that I was the most intrigued over. And so I got a set of their liquid highlighters. And these were all the colors that I found, but there might have been more in the collection. So this one is intriguing me the most, this one called Brazen. I love this copper color. I feel like this will be really pretty on a tan in the summer. This one is called Angelic Glow. And then this one is called Candlelight, but I want to hold them up so that you can kind of see the difference. This one has like a pinky undertone, and this one has like a yellow undertone. At least that's like what my eyes are seeing. So those were cool. And then LA Colors did tattoo stamps. What? They're like tattoo pens, and then they show you right here on the bottom what you get with each pen. So this one is a heart, and they're all black. And you can even see right here in the corner what the collection is. So this one's a heart. I got the star. The packaging is really cute too. I love the purple California-like, you know, ish background. So love that. And then here is a crescent moon. And then the flower. So I did find the whole complete collection. I will be stamping these and doing like a product review later on down the line. Then I found a new makeup brand. I might have seen it before. It's called Remy Rose. Can someone please tell me what Remy Rose is, if it's a brand that's somewhere else, or if it's just something that's shown up at Dollar. Does it have a Dollar Tree logo? No? It's a whole company called Remy Rose Cosmetics out of California. Found it at Dollar Tree. And what's cute is, one, the packaging. So I love the cute little doll-like girl. And then each makeup product has a name of a girl. So these are lip glosses, and so this is Kira or Kyra. Here is Emily, which I love this color. It's a beautiful nude that kind of reminds me of the Khloe Kardashian lip thing. Here's Ariana. Mila has like a bricky red brown. And then Brandy. Brandy gives me 90s vibes. This like brown color. I don't know what it's focusing on. And I also found these as well. Look how beautiful the packaging is here. These little lip balms. What? That is nuts for $1. Colored lip balm. That's an odd way. Anyway, Lola and Cara. is who we get. And you can tell that the color is gonna match this little bar right here because they did the same thing with these. So there's that. And then the last product in the Remy Rose is this lip exfoliator. So I will be giving this a try as well, but just, sorry, but not in today's video. And then the next product is also LA Colors. It is a powder blush, but it says velvety finish and also says highlight cheeks, but first of all, let's look at the color, because that color looks gorgeous. I got this thinking it would be a beautiful eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this one because I wanna swatch it. I've been dying to swatch this because the moment that I read velvety finish, I thought right there, I thought, So here it is. I love the packaging. It's just very simple and reminds me of makeup back in the 90s. I mean, like, look at this applicator. Okay. But here is the product. Wow. That does feel like velvet. Ooh, it is very pretty. Do you see that? It's very it's just not, look at me trying to be like I'm Jeffree Star, but I'm not. Wow, for starters, the pigmentation is beautiful, and I think that's because it's supposed to be a bronzer, but as an eyeshadow, you know I'm gonna light this up all over my lid. And then I found this hard candy whole little palette for $1. Yes, I did. I couldn't believe it. It is a contour and sculpt kit, but again, you could always look at this from an eyeshadow perspective. However, are these powders? No, some of them are not powders. So like these two right here are not powders. You can see that in there. But wow, you get the prep, the brighten, the contour, the blend, and the illuminate. So prep, brighten, contour, contour, blend, illuminate. All right, that's it. I absolutely loved this haul. Some of my, oops, something's in my eye. Some of my favorite hauls are when I get like chunks of like random sections at Dollar Tree. So we did, you know, beauty, we did some cleaning stuff, we did some planning stuff. You know, we've got some mugs in this, some books, some like DIY material. I love when my hauls are random. So thumbs up if you do too. Or comment down below and let me know if there are certain hauls you want to see. I know I got a request to do like a girly haul, so thank you for that person who recommended that. I think you recommended that over when I did like my whole farmhouse only Dollar Tree haul. So comment on this video if you can and let me know if there's like a certain theme that you want me to do. So, but anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.